Okay guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe shop and unbox channel. Okay, let's dive into this second Temu package order. So this is, I think this one is the light for my bedroom. Oh, why did they split it like this, man? So the thing with Temu is that these things, if they are not shipped locally, they have to go through customs, US customs, and instead, they handle stuff pretty not so decent. So they, instead of just ripping the tape, I think this is where the tape is. No, this is where the tape is. So instead of just ripping here, they sliced the box along the side. So anyway, this is the this is Chinese. That's the manufacturer. That's the address. The item is not in here. It just says light fixtures, but this is a Bohemian. I'm not open it the correct way. And they split it and they didn't even tape it back. This is so stupid. Okay, so this is the, as you can see from the thumbnail, the item is in the thumbnail. That's what I ordered. So let's see if that's what I got. This was $13 and I got it on sale. It was on sale when I got it. So this is the other ones I ordered were hardwiring. This one is not hardwiring. This one can be plugged in. So this is the frame. It's a lot shorter. This one just went down, so my lighting is poor, but yeah, the shade is a bit shorter than I anticipated. I thought the shade was about the size of the box, but it should be perfect. I love it. I'm absolutely in love with the Boho vibe, as you can tell from the channel name and the homestead name. Yeah, and it's sprayed inside, so it's gold. So if this even starts stripping, you can just get it off and then you can rewrap it, or you can just go with the gold framing for that industrial look. And this is the wood that it's the mountain wood. I think it's supposed to be like this on the wall. Kind of tricky, but we'll figure it out. You'll have to head over to the Boho Babe Homestead channel to see all of that, the installation and all of that. This is the actual lamp itself. So it comes with these hooks thing for this. I think that it does come with instructions, or not. Okay, attention, that's for those are warnings. Those are the warnings, not really instructions, but we'll figure it out. So this is it. It's the like a twine around the wire thing. This is adorable. It's the wood tone to match the wood. Some screws and some anchors. So I'm thinking that